Hello everyone. Today I will share how I edit my thumbnail in Kinemaster. It's funny, right? Watch till the end to know. Let's start. Opening Kinemaster and choosing 16:9 ratio. Choosing background. Adding images. Similarly adding others' images. Adding black background. By clicking on 3 dots, sending it to back. Copying background and doing the same to others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Going to effects. Adding mosaic blur. Sending it to backward 3 times. Here it is 3 images, so 3 times. Now adjusting properly. If you want to learn 3D effect properly, watch our 3D editing tricks video. Arranging properly to give nice look. Now let's add text. Now let's add arrows. All the elements that I have used are in 5,000 subscribers special video. Duplicating and adding to other side. Now let's add some light effects. Decreasing capacity. Similarly adding other lights elements. bringing the arrow and text to front. Our thumbnail is ready. Now capture and save. Thank you for watching.